Hello, sir. Welcome to Tech Observer. So, I would like to know how are you helping defense in manufacturing drones?
So, as you know, drone is a future. UAVs is a future, and drone is something which not only used in defense, but it is also used in civilian side. It can be used in logistics, it can be used in health, it can be used in agriculture, mining, and so on. Right. So, Reliance, as you know, it's a big house. It's one of the oldest and biggest company of India. We understand the power of UAVs, the future of UAVs, and that's why we get into this segment. And also, we want to add up our, sentiments. Also, we want to give our collaboration, our way of, contribution to the country in way of manufacturing the drones. So this is where we currently manufacturing small drones, micro drones, and we are also supplying to this defense forces, as well as we also supplying to various police in various other states. Apart from that, we are supplying to different other civilian side also.
So, how did Reliance started drones manufacturing?
So, like I said, we know that this is a future. You know, this is just a beginning, and we want to share our commitment, the growth of the country. We want our part to get into the growth of the country. So, as we know, drone is something where future belongs to it. So, this is one of the biggest reason we get into the drones. And there's another thing. Drone is something we use it for our own purpose also. We have our refineries, one of the biggest in world petrochemical refinery of Reliance. So we use drone for our own use also. So it's a dual usage, you will say. So that's the biggest reason.
One last question for you. Can I know your overall experience in this event?
Oh, I must congratulate the organizers. I mean, this is something very well set up. The speakers are fabulous, and they have covered and captured almost every pain point, I would say, of defense industry. And this is something we need to discuss more and more. So I would like to thanks to covering this topic and some of the very important topics, and the overall setup, the overall selection of topics, speakers is just fabulous. So I really enjoy it, and I hope that this will, uh, you know, bring some change, maybe in terms of thinking process. This may bring some change on policy part from the government side. Maybe this may bring some change or some learning to new startups, new companies who want to enter into defense sector. So overall, this is something a great setup. And thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining.